Hello everyone, welcome back to CPK Books and Accounts. If you own an LLC, corporation, partnership or any business in the United States, sooner or later you will need to make federal tax payments to the IRS. The safest and most commonly used method for paying federal taxes is through EFTPS, the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System. In today's video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to enroll your business in EFTPS. We will cover everything from entering your EIN and business information to receiving your EFTPS PIN and creating your online account. So, if you are a new business owner or have recently obtained an EIN, make sure to watch this video until the end because missing any step during enrollment can delay your ability to make IRS tax payments. So let's get started. So first of all, what is EFTPS? EFTPS stands for Electronic Federal Tax Payment System. It is a free service provided by the US Department of Treasury that allows businesses and individuals to make federal tax payments electronically. Using EFTPS, you can pay in EFTPS website, you can pay Form 941 payroll taxes, Form 940 FUTA tax payments, corporate income tax, estimated tax, partnership taxes, or other federal tax liabilities. So one of the bigger advantage of EFTPS is that you can schedule payments in advance and receive confirmation number for every payment made. Okay, so the first step should be visit EFTPS website as mentioned in green highlighted text. You have to open this website. On the home page, click on enroll. In the red tab, you will get an option to click on enroll. You have to click on that. Then this page will come up on your screen. You have to read the Privacy Act and Paperwork Reduction Act notice. Check the box indicating that you accept the terms as mentioned at the bottom, and then click on business because we are enrolling a business account. Next one, on the next screen, enter your business details carefully. You will need employer identification number, or can say EIN, legal business name, and US business phone number. Make sure the business name matches exactly with IRS records. Any mismatch can delay processing. And here is the screenshot of that screen where you have to record these details. Then you have to enter the principal business address. This address should match the address currently on file with the IRS. The IRS uses this information to verify your business identity and mail important enrollment information. Double check the address before proceeding. After that, enter bank information. Now provide the bank account information from which tax payment will be withdrawn. You will enter bank routing number, bank account number, account type. Choose whether the account is a checking account or a saving account. Before moving forward, verify all banking information carefully because incorrect banking details can cause payment failures. After that, record business name and EIN, and then check on the box I accept the authorization identification number and click on complete tab. Then submit enrollment. Review details and submit enrollment. After reviewing the information, click submit. EFTPS will display a confirmation page. Save or print the confirmation for your records. So keeping a copy of the confirmation can be helpful if you need to contact EFTPS support later on. And then wait for your EFTPS PIN, which will be received by mail. Then EFTPS mails a PIN. EFTPS will send a mail to you on the business address via mail. Okay. And then after enrollment is submitted, then this PIN arrives in 5 to 7 business days. If your EIN was recently issued by the IRS, Your business may already be pre-enrolled in EFTPS and the PIN package may arrive even sooner. Do not lose the PIN because it is required to activate your online account. Once you will receive the PIN, then you have to go back to the EFTPS website, and after going to, wait a second, yes, once you will get the PIN, you have to go back to the home page in the EFTPS website. Then there you have to click on login, then select need a password. You will be asked to enter EIN and EFTPS PIN. The system will also verify your banking information. After verification, create your internet password, choose a strong password and store it securely. Then once you have the PIN, you already have the EIN and you have set up the internet password as well. Then you just have all the details. You have to enter all the details into website, click on login, and you will be into the EFTPS website to make the payments, federal payments. Once you will be logged in into the EFTPS website, you can simply select the payment which you have to make. Either it is 941 form or 940 form tax payment or 1120 corporate tax form. Once you have selected the form for which you have to make the payment, then you have to select tax period, then enter the payment amount, then enter the payment date, submit the payment, save the acknowledgement number as proof of payment. So, and that's how you can successfully enroll your business in EFTPS and start making federal tax payments online. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to CPK Books and Accounts for more practical tutorials on US taxation, IRS forms, payroll taxes, bookkeeping and business compliance. If you have any question regarding EFTPS enrollment or federal tax payments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.